Hello and welcome back. Today's going to be a bit different because I'm not going to really be cleaning as much as I'm going to be organizing. I mean, when I take everything out of Jorge's closet today, I am going to do some cleaning there. And I haven't exactly decided how I'm going to be doing this video, if I'm going to be showing all of that in the beginning or what. But it's just going to be a different, kind of more casual, I don't really have everything set in place of what I want to share with you today. So I've been doing some painting. I painted several things and I'm trying to figure out what I was going to be sharing on my new set of stationery for the holiday season. And so I think I'm just going to settle on one, and it's going to be a tree, and I just love the way that it came out. It's like one of the things that happens when you paint, especially if you're going to be making anything out of it, is that not everything that you paint turns out the way that you would hope it to turn out. Does that make sense? Would hope for it to turn out, and so therefore you're not comfortable enough putting your name on it and then putting it out there to the world. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with the way this tree turned out. I love that the main colors are blue. I just love blue, and I feel like everything just needs a little blue in it, you know, give me something blue. So yes, I'm still waiting for the last little part to dry. If I hold it up like this and show it to you, then it will just drip off the page. So anyway, I'm going to give you a look at that, and then I also wanted to share some brand new aprons that I teamed up with one of my subscribers, and she helped me by making these aprons that we kind of designed together. So I'm excited to share these with you. She used fabric that she already had, and you know, I chose from the fabric that she had. And she lives in a completely different, you know, across the country, so we just worked over through text and calling each other and stuff like that. But I'm just excited to finally show these to you. I hope that those of you who have been interested in purchasing aprons from me, that you would still be interested. I haven't decided yet. I'm thinking that I'm going to post them on Poshmark because that just might be the best route to go with these ones. So I'm thinking I'm going to post these on Poshmark. And then today I wanted to clean out Jorge's closet. Now I know that I said in the past, and when we had our discussion, that I don't organize his clothes and all of that anymore. And actually for a while he has been doing his own laundry. And especially when we were living here, he kind of picked that job up, which was really helpful. But more recently he asked if I would do it. So I'm completely fine doing that. And today is Friday, so it's his laundry day that I'm taking care of all of his stuff. But the thing that was happening before is he wouldn't get to his stuff every single week, and then it would just pile up, and then he would be doing laundry for, I don't know, 1 to 2 days, and it would be the whole entire time with his piles all over the place. And so we just came up with a solution that I will do them. But if I'm going to do his laundry, I really need to have an organized space to put all of his clothes away in. So today I just thought that it would be very casual. I will clean out his wardrobe area and put everything away, and then just show you the finished result. So I hope that you enjoy this today, that it's a little bit different. I know I talked your ear off yesterday, but I was so happy to see everything that you guys had to share on that subject. And you know, I think that it's so helpful for other people that don't have the exact same situation as me, but maybe somebody else would relate to your situation if you commented in the comment section and just, you know, let us know what things were like for you. And that's what I love about this community and about reading all of the comments is that there are people that are going to be able to gain from those, and for things that aren't exactly the way that I do them or the way that I see them, but just seeing the way so many different people think. I just think that it's such a beautiful thing, and that's how we really learn and gain from one another. I mean, I know that I've learned so much just from reading the comments section and from all of you as my viewers. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this whole week of videos. If you would like to see more, I do post a little more over on Patreon. You are pretty much guaranteed an extra video a week, and I don't know if I'm going to be coming out with one tomorrow, but this past week I released on Sunday, and I think the week before that I did as well. So anyway, sometime within the week I give you an extra video, and yes, I always look forward to that. And those of you who support me over on Patreon, I look forward to seeing you over there. And then also too, be sure that you have hearted my favorited, or I don't know what you would call it, my Etsy shop. If you're interested in new and upcoming stationery, I will be posting it over there. So I don't have an exact day of when that's going to be ready yet, because I'm working with a different printer now, and I'm going to see how that goes. And I'm actually going to be hand choosing the paper this time, just from looking at a lot of different paper. So that's something that I'm really excited about, because paper, I don't know, the feel of paper, especially if you are a writer and you love to send stationery, it's very important. I love the stationery that I have previously been ordering, and you know, it's a linen texture paper, which is really neat. But there's so many different kinds of paper, and so I'm excited to try something else as well. So anyway, like I said, I hope you go over to my Etsy shop and just see what kind of things I have over there. And then of course, when I add something new to the shop. So with that being said, let's get to organizing. And if you are organizing something today or this weekend, let me know in the comments below. Organizing is something that I just love to do. I'm always looking for something else to organize, and hopefully we can inspire each other this way. So let's get to work. And I just want to mention how excited I am about this. I love the colors within this, and color is a big thing for me. So, you know, with some of the things that I was painting, it just wasn't speaking to me. I didn't feel like it was something that I loved, and so I really want whatever I put out there to be something that I love. And here is your exclusive look at the upcoming aprons that will be for sale. So if this is something that you're going to be interested in, please let me know in the comments below. One of the great features about these aprons are that they're adjustable. So the tie that goes in here, the string, it is adjustable. It can, you know, the neck part can go high or low, and then you don't have to have a tie on the neck portion. You just pull this down here and it tightens it. And it's a great feature on all of these aprons, except for these half aprons. I do have 2 half aprons, which this one's really fun because it's so like basic, it doesn't get really tight around this part, so it kind of flares out a little bit, which is cute. They all have really beautiful pockets, and this is another half apron, which is also reversible, although the reverse side doesn't have the pockets, but it's just another cute apron with some lace around the bottom. And yes, this is just something I was excited to have done, and I hope all of you are excited too, especially for those of you who have been asking, you know, where do I purchase my aprons and things along those lines. So I had these handmade, and hopefully some of you will look into purchasing one. So welcome to the dressing room. This side is Jorge's, and he gets his work shirts from work, obviously, but when they give them to him, they put them on these wire hangers, and I can't stand them. So I told him the first thing that's going to go are going to be these wire hangers. But I have these bamboo hangers that we had purchased a while ago as well. I think I got them at Target, and I like to put everything on matching hangers. And just one of the things that, you know, made me cringe whenever I'd open his wardrobe is all of the different hangers. I just can't stand all the different hangers. If that's something that you have an issue with, because some people don't mind, but if that's something that you have an issue with, I would love to know. And also let me know what kind of hangers you prefer, because some people like the felt ones, some people do like the wire ones, okay? But others like the wood. I have white wood hangers, and I got my white ones from IKEA, which are great as well. See, like I look in his closet, and oh, I didn't even do it before, but I look in his closet and there's just no rhyme or reason to anything in here, I feel. So yeah, it's gonna need a lot of work. All right, I'll show you. So here we go. Are these dirty? I don't know. I would think they weren't, because anything that was dirty he put in his hamper. But I've just got to I have to take everything out and then fix the hanger situation. Yes, we've got a lot of work to do here. And of course, while I do this, I am going to listen to one of my favorite channels.
Both likely going to run off at this point. Okay, I'm fairly sanguine about those races. The reason I'm fairly sanguine about those races is because Donald Trump is not going to be on the ballot in Georgia. What we've seen.
Have all the extra hangers here, and here is a look at the organized closet. All of his clothes are clean. What I have going on here, he has some pants that usually he'll wear when he goes, I don't know, fishing or doing some work around the house. He has his nice jeans up on top. He actually just ordered a couple more pairs as well. I have his undershirts and then just t-shirts up on top that don't have anything on them, and these gray ones and a few of his black ones he had actually ruined in the wash. So right up here I have t-shirts that have something on the front. Some of them are plain, but they're a little bit nicer, and then also some workout or some sweatshirts. Long sleeves are in there too. He has one right here, and then all of his button-down shirts and his pants are right here. his slacks, the ones that he wears to worship service, and then his nice coats and just a heavier coat. And then under he has his underwear in the front, socks right over there. That is, I mean, I paired them, but they're all different kinds, and he wouldn't keep it nice if I just rolled them up or anything. So you kind of have to, you know, figure out what system will work best for the person who is going to be using the space. And then in the back he has some basketball shorts and his swim trunks and just odd shorts that he would be reaching for. And then his work pants right there. So these are his work shirts. I didn't have enough of the hangers, and anyway, he likes the plastic ones, so I just decided to use that in this small space as opposed to having a mix of hangers on this side. It looks nice to me. Will he keep it that way? There is no telling, but at least I feel like I know where to put everything back when I'm going to be washing his clothes. So, oh, and then all of the ties. I ended up rolling all of the ties, and I put them in the little bins back there just because he doesn't always wear the ties, even when he wears his nice shirt. Sometimes he'll just wear his nice shirt with a coat and call it a day. So anyway, that is what the closet looks like. I'm going to keep this short because I have to get ready for our friends to come over now. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more and be inspired in other ways, I hope you will come over to Patreon, help support this channel, and until next week, I hope you all take care, stay well, and we will talk then.